the store, baby, no. Wasted days running at the door, baby, no. Could I see the end of my
Kill it now. Kill it now. Come now. Can you good? Can you good? Can you good? Can you good?
Shabba working out with King Shango brought the house and the curtains down at Ari Jamboree 2013. For many, it was the moment of the 3-day festival in New York. On stage caught up with the Emperor backstage after his performance.
Well, with me and King Shango, it's like King Shango is a youth when back in the days, him dep on a song named African Star. You know what I mean? And them time me and Ninja Man, two ace DJ down in the city and thing. So me and the youth who own African Star was bridging. So boom, the youth come check me and say have a big bad dance and the more will come from there with it. Waiting for the send me and Ninja Man leave down in the city and go up in a poppy up in a tavern there, up in a bush there. We see this youth here. And me I tell us that this youth here start wheel off a portion of dynamite. And it's a good thing so we hold solid grounds. Or else we would have killed we up there, we couldn't come back down at town. So and I know me and Shango I travel with a farmer profile and a unity there. Years we travel with it. But Ninja Man goes and eat off a portion of the man things them and ask him. Me hear him chat all the lyrics and I never touch one of them. Ask him about it. Ask Shango about it. Yeah. Ninja Man eat off a portion so him can tell us, say, see me, and hears me I run it and I deal with my own thing and I hold my order same way. So, His Majesty order.
Could there be a time when I see you and Ninja on a stage just like that, Shabba?
Well, right now, me I can't say day and I can't say down. I let me now be me now, me nay be me nay. Cause it's like no disrespect or no form of animosity against him and thing, but when me as a youth from the back there, I try to live up a deal with progress in the music. Them youth are kind of blinded by Babylon system and rise up against me for try to demolish my progress. Me nah say it can't happen, me nah say it will not happen, because you see with music gives the possibility of unexpectedness. So anything can happen. And me and him used to break the bread together. Ask him about it. And him first introduced me to Kilimanjaro. And him make me not be gunman in the music business. Ask him anytime you see him. As bad as him is, as bad as him talk badness. Ask him. If I know him beg me like a little baby, say, listen to me. You see the other part of life the way I do, it won't work. This will. And him start opening some little channel for my gut show. But when me start go so book and materialize say, progress, he make Babylon start trick him and him want to rise up on my thing, but kudos to him and thing. You see me I deal with all the best because I wish the man no farmer and happiness in them life and thing, but never say never, you know?
All right, sir. All right. The VT, recently there was this VT trivia.
Man,
I was told you were called.
Boy, man, Winford, BT called me. And them did want me to do a motion, for be on them I want shows. But I had prior engagement.
Okay.
So I tell them, I ask them, what is the criteria for me to be there? And they're telling me that me and 5 person or me and 4 person have to be on stage. And I said to myself, say, Shabba ranks who get 2 Grammy for dancehall music in America. It not take me and 5 other Jamaican artists to present dancehall music in a one format. When Mariah Carey get her own stage, whosoever get them own stage. I should get my own stage because you see my garments, I want to walk on the red carpet, you know, and kick out my foot and make them sister boy me about my pretty shoes. So like, you see me a David? Yeah, see it there. Nice, see? I want them to know, say, Gregory Isaac, teach me to dress good and love good clothes. So me as an artist, when time me go out there, me have to present myself with a Jamaican format to make them see me threads and thing. And them never give me the opportunity there. For me walk the red carpet. For ears them have with music, I push it in a little corner. And try to take it out when them feel like. I am not for that. I am here to stand up so dancehall be rated and respected as every other people music. It doesn't take 5 and 6 of us to show dancehall to the world in one forum. Shabba Ranks alone could do it. Chakademus alone could do it. You see me I deal with? So when them want to get me in a crab in a barrel system, they say, listen to me. If you're not going to make me come out on the red carpet, then me nice. If you're not going to give me my own a stage, then me nice. Because when it comes to Shabba and stage business, I want it all for myself. Because I can and I will represent this music to the best of my ability.
So when I'm ready to propose the right thing, do you stand ready?
Yeah, I'm open like a cut and want surgery. Yeah, man, I'm open up. Just tell them to send me to get some stitches and thing. I'm ready for it in anything. Or any platform, or any podium, or any country, or anywhere in the world for me to show them that I represent dancehall music and my music that give me life from the scum of Jamaica to make me be a man that I am. I am ready to represent it with full force so long as they must recognize and respect that my music collect Grammy too. Okay. My music buy good clothes too. My music is coming from a place where as much as them try for all we done, we are good people. Cause them not intellectual like Marcus Garvey, all no. And none of them not fast like Usain Bolt, all no. And none of them not great like Shabba Ranks, all no. And them say them tough and them bad, but none of them not bad like Bob Marley, all no. So we as Jamaican have to stand up for our thing in a strong way and I make them feel like them want chicken way. It not take 5 hours to come like 5 minutes. And you now walk the red carpet for show your shirt where you wear and your bow tie. You're mad. I'm not Shabba sitting that, man. Look at my jacket. Never show them that. That means when Mariah Carey walk on the red carpet and she says, see my jacket, you know, say, boy, wow. Wow. There he goes. Dancehall Jamaican progress. Now hide me behind a little corner and then bring me up on stage 4 little seconds and then take me off and push me back behind stage and then shove me out of the building. I know Shabba something that. That's what them want. That's what Shabba want for dancehall. Thank you, sir. Mama, you know me love you and everything and thing. And you will always be beneficiary. You will always be a beneficial factor from you keep your mind and praising Jesus Christ. And I know you're doing it. So what? God bless you with life and health and strength. I love you so much. And Aunt Mimi, I love you. God bless. Yeah.
And next week, right here on stage, part 2 of the Shabba Ranks interview, including why he's been recording all this time but not releasing any records, as well as some solid advice for Jamaican youth. The Heineken Inspire competition is now in high gear. The show is on the road and the Second City and the Savlamar have gone through the audition process for a chance to win in the categories film, fashion, music and art. If you are not yet inspired to enter, we give you last year's winner in the music category, Mystical Revolution.
Mystical Revolution entered the Heineken Inspired music category last year and we were the first winner of the competition. You know, and it was a great experience, you know, we got a whole lot of publicity out of it, you know, we won 250,000, you know, a share of $1 million, you know, and stuff, so it was great.
For the fast rising roots reggae band, the Inspire win was nothing but a blessing.
It was a great way to put our music out and it's a lot of media publicity. We saw that, you know, a competition like that would experience a lot of stuff like that, and it's a way that we need to get the music out there, you know, seeing that we're an upcoming band.
Since then, Mystical Revolution has been up to a lot.
Since we won the Heineken Inspired, we basically become ambassadors to Heineken because they actually supported our Divide and Rule album launch that we have out now. We also won Band of the Year in the MIA Awards. You know, we were featured on NBC as Jamaica's hottest reggae band since then in a year time. So, you know, it was just a great joy for each and every one of the band members, them a Mystical Revolution.
And seeks to inspire you to be a part of the Inspire Competition 2013.
It's a great way to expose the talent, and it's a great source of media publicity which every upcoming artist or anybody that doesn't have that medium to do that for themselves, you know. It's a great means of that exposure right there, you know what I mean?
The last in the series of auditions happens next Saturday at Triple Century in Kingston. And you know what to do. Stay tuned to On Stage for more.
And for what's happening on charts in the major music markets around the world, here now is Heineken International Chart Watch.
In the UK, Ellie Goulding is holding her place at number 1 with Burn for the 3rd week in a row.
And we're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. We're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. Gonna let it burn, 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 burn.
While in Europe, Avicii with Wake Me Up makes this his 2nd week at number 1. On the other side of the Atlantic in Canada, on the US's Hot 100 chart and on iTunes, Katy Perry's Roar is number 1. While on Billboard's R&B and hip-hop chart and in the world, Blurred Lines is number 1. Back home in Jamaica, Macca Diamond's Die Die returns to number 1.
Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die.
And there you have it, a look at charts from all over the world this week. I am Jason Williams.
And here now are our So Good moments for this week.
Will you believe me when I say affairs of the heart, together we've grown, forever apart. All I want you to know is your love is life-changing, and I couldn't be the same without you, darling. Your love is life-saving. You always catch me when I fall.
Well, that brings us to the end of our e-news and reviews for this week. Mr. Williams, give us the news.
Miss Ellis? Oh, yes. Conscience stamps his brand on a new line of merchandise, but it's not just endorsing. She's wife of jail dancehaller Vybz Kartel, a name you know, but a face you will be seeing perhaps for the first time right here on stage.
Bounce when I feed the girl them bubble pan. If you love to see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. You play song, the girl star bus blank. Now the girl them time, play song, the girl white.